Hey guys, welcome to Safi Next. In this video, I will let you know how to combine data spread over different sheets in a single workbook and Excel. For example, here I have arranged three different sheets where each sheet contains data in three columns. The first column contains name, the second column contains addresses like email address, and the third column contains phone numbers. And the same is true about these two sheets. And I want to combine this data into a single sheet. In order to understand how can we do this, let me first open up a new file from here. And on the new file, come to Data tab. And in Data tab, come to Get Data and clicking on the Expand button, and then selecting from Files, and here I click on from Excel workbook. If I click on this, it will take me to my directories. Go to your desired directory where your Excel workbook is saved. Click on the Save Workbook. So you will be welcome with this screen. In here, if you want to select from multiple items, you check this box. But I just want to click on a single sheet because the workbook contains three sheets like you saw before. And when I click on a sheet, it shows me the form of the data in this corner. So I come here to transform data and click on this. So it get me to this window, and from here you need to cross change type, promoted headers, navigation, and come to source. Here on source, the three sheets are enlisted, and I come over here to expand the data. This is the expansion button. If I click on this button, it will take me to this window, and here again all the three columns are selected, and use original column name as prefix. I just uncheck this, I don't need that, and then click OK button. Now you see this corresponds to sheet 1, then from this point onward sheet 2, and this from this point onward sheet 3. So the data in all the three sheets on a single workbook is now combined over here. However, here are some extra columns, and I want to remove these columns. Here is the hidden columns. I select the hidden column first, and then click the right button on my mouse pad and select remove option from here, so that column is removed. And the same I repeatedly do with the other extra columns. I remove this one as well, and then I remove this one as well. Now we are left with three columns. There are some additional rows. This one is for sheet 2 where the name, email, and phone are enlisted, and the same is done here with the sheet of third column. I will remove them once I go to the final form, and then I come back to this button, closed and load. If I click this, now you see the data spread over the three sheets is now put here on a single sheet, and I want to remove this row by clicking on it and then clicking the right button on my mouse pad and coming to delete. So that is removed, and the same I do with this one, and I again come to delete option and I delete that as well. Table row, so that is removed. Now I have the data spread over the three sheets in the previous workbook into a single sheet. If I check on the first sheet, this is the blank one, so I just delete this sheet from here, and now I have a single sheet. And I then come to save file, and then come to save as, and I save this where I want by putting this thing over here. So this way you can combine data spread over different sheets in our book. At the end, if you haven't yet subscribed to Safi Max, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button, and hey, don't forget to click the like button as well. Thanks for watching.